Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu Alicum. I hope you all are well. You are watching my YouTube channel BCP Synergy. It's lecture number 1 for biology. In today's lecture, we are going to study the basics of biology and cells. Biology is the branch of science which deals with the study of living organisms including plants, animals and microorganisms. Is called as biology. Biology is further divided into 3 sub-branches which are botany, zoology and microbiology. Botany is the branch of biology that deals with the study of plants. Zoology is the branch of biology that deals with the study of animals, while microbiology is the branch of biology that deals with the study of microorganisms. Now, in the definition of biology, there is an important term, living organism. Living organism is composed of many small units, and these small units are called as cell. So it means that a living body is composed of cell. What is cell now? The proper definition for cell is the basic structural and functional unit of living organism is called as cell. Or you can say that the basic unit of structure and function of living organism is called as cell. What are the properties of cell? A cell is the smallest unit of life. It is the building block of life. All organisms are made up of cells. Either they are unicellular or multicellular. Cells exist in various shapes and sizes. Cells perform a wide range of activities. The shapes and sizes of cells are related to function they perform. There are many types of cells, for example, RBCs and WBCs. RBCs are red blood cells, while WBCs are white blood cells. Okay. So these are different types of cells. There are 2 important terms. These are unicellular and multicellular. What is meant by unicellular and multicellular? Uni means one, while multi means many. So, what is unicellular and multicellular organism then? A unicellular organism is an organism that is made up of single cell, for example, amoeba, paramecium, and euglena. These all organisms are composed of only one cell, while multicellular organisms are those which are made up of many cells, for example, plants, animals, etc. There are millions of cells inside the plant and animals. This is the structure of a cell. In this structure, there is a nucleus in the center. Inside the nucleus, there is a nucleolus. Then in the cytoplasm, there are many subcellular organelles, which are like mitochondria, the Golgi vesicles, endoplasmic reticulum, etc. Next, we are going to study characteristics of living organisms. Living organisms have many characteristics. For example, living organisms move, they eat, respire, etc. All these functions must be performed by something inside the living organism. And cells are those which perform these functions inside the living organisms. Like movement. It is the characteristic of living organisms. Living organisms show internal or external movement. Respiration. Living organisms use substances from environment to make energy. Homeostasis. It's the process where living organisms maintain a stable internal environment. Growth. The living organisms can change shape or size, which means that the living organisms are growing. The reproduction is one of phenomena where living organisms produce offsprings either sexually or asexually. Excretion is the process inside the living organisms where these organisms exhibit the removal of waste products. When you take in food, the useful substances from that food are absorbed by the body, while some waste product is left which has to be removed from the living body, and it is possible through excretion. Nutrition is another characteristic of living organisms where living organisms exchange material and gases with the environment. For example, oxygen is inhaled by the human body while carbon dioxide is exhaled. It is it for today. In the next lecture, we will focus on cell theory.